Previously on TWiT.
It's time again to talk to the most fabulous, amazing iOS expert in the world.
My mom. Do you celebrate Mother's Day, Mama? Will you feel bad if I don't send you something?
Yes. You're egging me on.
Tech News Weekly.
Samsung's Galaxy Fold just can't catch a break these days. The talented folks at iFixit have been patiently tearing down the device to get to the heart of what's behind all of this failure.
It's so close to launch, I have to assume they had tens, if not hundreds of thousands of these manufactured and ready to go. I certainly can't imagine they'll be able to physically alter the hardware in the kind of time frame that, that people are probably hoping for.
With the recall of all of these devices, you then had to let this go back to Samsung in pieces, right?
It didn't go back in pieces. It went back in one non-working piece. Let's put it that way.
This week in Google.
Google walkout organizers are saying they're facing retaliation for organizing those walkouts. Some of them have been demoted. But is that illegal, is my question.
It's not good PR.
It's not good PR, but it's not illegal. Right, Karsten?
You are absolutely, positively right. There's nothing wrong with anything you have ever said.
That's right.
TWiT, the happiest place on earth.
Remember when we had the total eclipse and everybody went out to see that? All three of you? It brought the operation to its knees for 30 minutes.